Hello, this is Umair, and you are watching Trusty Code channel. And in this video, I will explain you how to rename the namespace of any project using the .NET Core or any .NET technologies when we are using or when we are migrating from one project to another project and we want to reuse some project. So we have the requirement to rename the project according to that project name. Either it can be any project. For example, one project is employee management system, and we already have the employee management system, and we have the we have to develop the same project, same requirement in the other project, so we do not need to start from the scratch. So instead of that, we will start from the renaming of the project or and the namespaces from our existing project. So for that, I will explain you step by step how we can rename the project when we are using the ASP.NET Core. So in this case, you can see I have the class library. We can change the class library as well as the project. We can save any web API project, any kind of the project. We can change the namespace of any project. So I have the namespace of the domain project, which is the vms dot domain. I have the project, and I am migrating renaming the project name. So in this case, I already have the this name, pms.domain.enums. So I want to rename this whole uh, class library project. So instead of doing the one by one or manually things, so I will do it using the Visual Studio feature, which is the sync namespace. I will hit this option, sync namespace. First I will close this option. I will, and make sure you have closes all the open file, so it can be better. So for that, I am renaming this project vms.domain, and I am hitting click on the vms sync namespace. And here it's updating the namespace of the vms.domain from pms to vms. The first name was showing the pms, and now it will be converted to the vms without any manually changes. So when we are going to do manually changes, it's going to be a bit harder. So here you can see it's going showing our preview of the code also. Like for that class, for the page list class, we have the changes like show like vms.domain.helpers. It will be show like this, and it has done for all the classes involved in this project. So I will apply and click here, and I will apply, hit the apply button. And here you can see it's going to be processed. And once it's done, and then you can move to the same file enum. Here you can see vms.domain.enum has been renamed from the pms.domain.enums, and it has updated the reference of all the project which has the domain project reference. Here you can see I have the reference of the domain in this project, vms dot application. So when I go to any of the class here, we can say I can check anyone, I can check the automapper class. So here you can see it's already has been renamed the name of the namespace of the specific project in the other project. It has updated the it's all the references which is it has been using in the other project. So in this way we can easily rename or we can change the namespace of any project. Here it's in this video, and hit the subscribe and share button, so I will make any other videos with the motivation. So keep subscribe the Thrusty Code channel. Thank you, bye bye.